Hi, this is just a little tutorial on how to get a Ring app for your Ring doorbell on your computer. If you're running a Windows operating system, I'm running Windows 11 operating system, and the Ring app that you can download from the marketplace just does not work. Microsoft Store, I mean. And I can show you that here. I had other Ring devices installed that would work, but there are some that will not work. And I recently upgraded my Ring devices, and now none of them will show up. And but before, only one would show up, and that was a battery operated Ring Doorbell Video Plus second generation. It would show up. But my floodlights, my Ring floodlights and camera would not show up. And now my floodlights and my new Ring doorbell will not show up. It just comes up and tells me set up a device. Whereas you should see a screenshot of the video for each device on this page right here on your dashboard. So I'm going to be deleting this app. I found another way to do it. If you just go to your Ring account, usually, on Edge, you probably already know there's an icon that pops up for websites that have the ability to set an app for that website on your desktop. Well, you'll find that if you go to ring.com, and I'll go to my dashboard, that icon does not show up. Normally there's an icon here. You click on it, it says add this as a app, and then it gives you an option of where you want to put it. You're in your desktop, taskbar, or your start menu. Well, you can see it's not here. So the way to get around that is you go to your three dots for your settings. You come down to apps. Install this site as an app is what you want to select. It's going to ask you to name it, or it'll give you a default name, and I'm going to call mine Ring Dashboard. And I'll tell it to install. It's going to pop up and ask me how I want it installed. It's thinking about it, and here it is. I want it on the taskbar, and I want it in the start menu, and I want it on the desktop. So I'm going to tell it to allow. And you can see this is already an app form. I'm going to close it. I'm going to close my web page. And here is the new icon for the Ring Dash, which will be my Ring app. And I can go to it, double click it. I'm guessing that if you're not already signed in, when you double click on this, it'll take you to the sign in page. I have not tried that yet, but it will take you to the dashboard. And as you can see, there's my front door and my backyard, and it's going to populate and show me the views of my cameras. My cameras and my floodlight will actually work. This is my floodlight camera. And so that's just a short tutorial. Hopefully it helps somebody. And thanks for watching.